Hi everyone. So tonight, I told you I was going to make some Thanksgiving sides. Me and my sisters have been making corn casserole forever. I can't even tell you how long. So listen, it's always a favorite. Everybody wants extra. And that's what I'm going to show you tonight. So I'm going to introduce my ingredients. We have melted butter. We have creamed corn, regular can of corn. We have grated cheddar cheese. We have jiffy muffin mix. We have sour cream, egg, and spray. Believe it or not, no salt and pepper to taste. I don't use salt and pepper in this. So I'm going to get right to it because this is so simple, you're not going to believe it, okay? So now I'm going to put my corn in, okay? I'm going to put my creamed corn. Okay, the regular corn you got to drain, but the creamed corn you use everything, okay? Now I'm going to put my jiffy mix, the whole box. What's easier than that? You just pour the box right in. Come on. I know a lot of people make this. It's very popular. Okay, then we're going to do our 1 egg. All right. And I like to mix as I go along, okay, to get it really, really incorporated, all your ingredients, okay? And now I'm going to add my melted butter, okay? Who don't love melted butter? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Like the bakers say, butter makes it better. Okay, and now I'm going to mix this. Ooh, I had a little itch. And now we're going to add sour cream. And all the measurements will be on our YouTube Family Talk and Taste, okay? This is so simple, and let me tell you, what a side dish. It is so delicious. You're going to love it, trust me. And, you know, there's a couple of ways people do this, but this is the way I do it. Okay, so look at that. It comes so creamy, delicious. And now I'm going to add my last ingredient, my shredded cheddar. They said 1 cup. I filled it to the rim. Okay, and now my son can't have this, and this is one of his favorites. So I'm going to do a test tonight for him, and I'm going to make it hold the sour cream and hold the regular butter. He bought this at a vegan store. This is vegan-free butter, Earth Balance. The consistency wasn't the same. Listen, I'm going to give it a run. So I'm going to make his the same way, but no grated cheese and no sour cream. And I'll let you know how it turns out. Okay, so now I'm going to get this all ready to go, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my sons. I'll just show you guys. Now listen, I never made this one, so hopefully the consistency is good, because this is a healthy version, I guess you say. Okay. I'm putting the corn in. Okay. Now the jiffy. Corn mix. Corn muffin mix. All right. Look at that. And now I'm going to put my egg and my vegan butter. I'm going to taste it when it's ready just to see. I remember one year, me and Mary were shopping for Thanksgiving, my sister, and we were in Costco, and we were making this, and we bought an obsessive amount of corn. We had like 30 cans of corn in our carriage, so somebody recognized us and came over to say hi. And she says, I guess you girls really like corn. It was hilarious. We made so much corn casserole that year, we had enough for 6 Thanksgivings. It was hysterical. Okay, so listen, it definitely seems a little looser. I think the sour cream binds it, but we're going to try. We're going to try and see how it comes out, this one. Listen, it's not going to taste exactly the same, but it is what it is, right? This is one of his favorite things, and I want him to enjoy too. So I'm going to put them both in the oven, and then we'll be back with the tasting, okay? All right, I'm back. So now I'm going to spray my pan with Pam. And listen, you have to give this a generous spray because you don't want it to stick, okay? So make sure it's nice and sprayed. Oop, missed the spot. Okay, and now I'm going to pour this right into the pan. Okay, look at that. Now, how simple was that? How easy did that take to mix? Listen, I'm on my own tonight. You know me. I need my hubby. He's good, or my son, because I get, you know, on my own, I'm a little, I need help, okay? And I'm going to let you know how the vegan one turns out with the vegan butter. Oh, geez. Okay? And then I just do this. Look, I spread this around. I'm sorry, I have things in your way. Look at that. And now we're going to bake this, okay, at 350. All ovens vary. I say 45 to 60 minutes because they all vary. You stick a toothpick in. If it comes out nice, the toothpick, then you know it's done. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to prepare my sons, and we'll be back to taste. All right, look at how beautiful they came. So this is the regular one. This is the Buddies, the vegan one. But I'm going to...
There's an egg, so it's not vegan.
Oh, it's not vegan. Silly me. I'm going to taste his because I'm very curious to see how it came. Listen, his came a little flat, but whatever.
Thank you for making that.
Oh, you're welcome. See, I was surprising you. Okay, so let me see how it is.
I just tasted it all.
You still got the sweetness from the corn. Let me tell you something. Not bad. Healthy options are not bad. Okay, everyone. So my love just got home. It's 7:36.
It's all good.
I have other food for him, and he doesn't even want it. He's so tired. He said, I'll just eat this.
Ooh. Good as always. The best. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Corn casserole, easiest thing to make.
Yum, yum.